In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to give GoDaddy Delegate access. This is a handy skill to have, especially if you need to share access to your GoDaddy account without having to share your password. Whether you're working with a developer, a designer, or a colleague who needs to manage your domain, allowing delegate access is a secure and efficient way to collaborate. To get started, the first thing you'll want to do is log into your GoDaddy account. This is your central hub where you'll manage all the settings related to your domains, so logging in is step number 1. Simply go to the GoDaddy homepage and enter your credentials. Once you're logged in, look towards the top right corner of your screen. Here, you'll find an icon or your username, which, when clicked, reveals a drop-down menu. In this drop-down, select Account Settings, which will open a new menu. Here, you'll find the option for Delegate Access. This is the section where you can set up access for others. Clicking on Delegate Access will redirect you to a page that lists people who already have access to your account, if any, and more importantly, it's where you can add new delegates. Now, let's focus on adding a new delegate. On this page, look for a button that says Invite to Access. Clicking this will open up a form where you'll need to enter the email address of the person you want to invite. This email should be the one they use for their GoDaddy account or one that they will associate with it. Once you've entered the email, you'll see a couple of options regarding the level of access you can grant, products and domains or account settings. Choose products and domains if you want them to have control over the services and domains only. This is usually sufficient for most needs. However, if you want them to be able to change security settings as well, select Account Settings. Once you've made your selection, click Invite. At this point, an invitation will be sent to the person's email address. They will receive an email from GoDaddy notifying them that they've been invited to access your account. They will need to accept this invitation through the email and follow a few prompts to be added as a delegate. Once accepted, they'll have the level of access you specified. This process helps ensure that your information stays safe while delegating responsibilities. To finalize, always remember to review the delegate access list periodically to ensure only the right people have the permission they need. This is important for maintaining the security and integrity of your account. And there you have it. Adding delegate access in GoDaddy is straightforward, giving you both flexibility and security. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.